Hi friends, Christine Toney with Essentially Styled. Today I want to talk to you about our enrollment kit. I don't often talk about the opportunity with Lilla Rose, but I really probably should more often because many don't understand or realize that there are teams out there, my team, where we sell these amazing hair accessories to friends, family. You can go to events, lots of opportunity out there to share your love and kind of support your own habit. So as long as you're in the US, the opportunity is there for you. So to start off, I just want to share with you my favorite part of what you get in our enrollment kit. So to start off, you get all of these accessories. These accessories are over $300 in value, well over $300 in value. And you would get 8 flexies, you get a simple U pen, an acrylic U pen, you get a Flexi 8 in leather with a coordinating hair stick, and you get another hair stick that you can mix and match. Those hair sticks you can use on their own. You get a set of bobbies, a set of U pens, and you get one of our amazing hair bands with adjustable elastic that make them totally unique. All of the Lilla Rose accessories are unique in their own way. Our bobby pins aren't like any other bobby pins that you're going to find out there with their strength. Our hair bands aren't like any hair bands you're going to find out there because of the adjustable elastic and the fact that with the beaded ones you can take the elastic off, put a magnetic clasp or a chain, and wear it as a necklace as well. So everything is so versatile. It is a huge opportunity just for the accessories themselves. So all of that for $89 is our normal kit price. So you get over $300 worth of accessories for $89. That is a steal in and of itself, and that's our everyday normal price. So if you stay tuned to the end, I'm going to talk to you about a special opportunity we have coming up with our accessories, or our enrollment kit, I mean. So with that, you also get business supplies. So you get brochures on how to use the accessories, our Flexi Flips, the opportunity, how to host a party. You get business cards. You also get 4 of our essentials in our essentials line: dry shampoo, rose water, sea salt spray, and our amazing bamboo hair towel, which is, like I said, amazing. So you get all of that, plus order forms, books, brochures. They give you even some glossy 8x10 pictures to show in a display if you're going to be at a party or set up in an event. They just give you everything you need, including a free website. I'm going to set these down here so I don't drop them. You get a free website, which is almost unheard of in the direct sales world. Most companies are going to charge you a monthly fee if you intend to sell it. So you get a free website every month. So that's awesome. You also get 30 to 45% commission or discount. So if you're ordering for yourself, friends and family, you're going to get 30% off, and you can work up to 45%. If you're selling to your friends or they use your replicated website, you will get the the commission off of that at 30%. And again, you can work up to 45%. Now let's talk quotas. That's usually a deal breaker for most things. It would have been for me when I was approached about the Lilla Rose opportunity. And one of my first questions was, what's the quota? Because I did not intend to sell anything. I loved the product and I was interested in a discount, but I didn't want to sell anything. And she told me it was $29 a year. And I'm like, a year? And I'm like, okay, I could probably do $29 a month myself because I absolutely love the product. But $29 a year in personal volume. So coming through your website, that could be from you or a customer. So I was like, and everyone thinks there's got to be a catch. There's no catch. That's it. So when you you have that $29 of personal volume come through your website, you're good for another year to maintain your personal discount and that opportunity. So if you go beyond a year, then the opportunity, then you forfeit that 30%. But for a year beyond that personal volume of $29, it's crazy. So I just wanted to share that with you. Now for the really exciting news is that for next week, which will be March 22nd, I want to make sure, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, Monday through Thursday, there is going to be a slightly increasing price on it, but it's going to start tomorrow on Monday the 23rd at $49 for all of that. So when I first signed up back in 2014, I paid $49 for 5 clips. And I thought I was getting an amazing deal. 5 clips for $49, that's fabulous. We've got a great price point, but that was even better. So no, you're going to get for $49 all of this and the free website and all of the goodies that come with it. Tuesday, it's going to go up to $59. Wednesday, $69, $79 on Thursday, and then back up to $89 on Friday. So it will go up every day. So if you delay, you'll pay $10 more. But like I said, if you're catching this video next week, when all this is passed, it's $89 normally. So you still have that amazing opportunity to join for $89 at any time. But if it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday, you're going to get a certain percentage off. So remember, $49, $59, $69, $79, and then back up to $89. So Monday's going to be your best day to sign up if you're interested. Feel free to ask me any questions. I'm completely transparent. You can ask me questions in the chat below, and I will respond and get back to you as I can. You can message me. You can find my information. I have my Facebook page for my customers linked up above. If you go to my home YouTube channel, you'll find those links. You can find me on Instagram, Facebook, and email as well. So please reach out to me if you have questions. It really is as simple and easy as I make it sound, and amazing. So all of the business supplies, all of those $300 worth of accessories, the essentials, free website, the discount at 30 to 45%, and we also have tons of free training. We have, I think, the most generous stylists around who share graphics and share pictures, their hair photos, and are just so generous to see whether we're on the same team or not. The generosity is over the top, and I appreciate it. It really starts with our CEO, John Dorsey, and the creator of the Plexi Clip. It permeates the entire company. So we'd be thrilled to have you on board. If you have questions, we have lots of free training as well, and lots of incentives built in for extra bonuses if you kick off right away and want to jumpstart your business. I will do another video on the Fast Start opportunity, which is if you know you're going to be doing events and parties right away. There are a lot of perks to doing the Fast Start option, which you can ask me about. So, but $89 for the basic enrollment kit. And who can start a business for $89? Really, almost anyone. So it's really exciting to see, and I'm happy and excited to be able to present this opportunity to you. So if you have questions, please reach out to me. Again, Christine Toney with Essentially Styled. So don't forget to subscribe, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.